Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're trying to keep your hunting knives razor sharp and ready for anything, this video is definitely for you. We're going over the top 5 best hunting knife sharpeners, picked for their reliability, ease of use, ability to hold an edge, and overall value. For all the latest prices and details on these picks, you'll find the product links down in the description below. Let's get started. Sharp Guided Field Sharpener. Let's kick things off with this one, because it's the kind of sharpener you just toss in your pack and forget about until you actually need it. The design is compact, really durable, and frankly, it feels right at home in the field. It doesn't try to be flashy. Inside, it's stacked with diamond plates, ceramic rods, and even a leather strop, all self-contained in a tough black housing. This means you've got everything you need to bring a dull blade back to life, even on the go. There are also built-in sharpening guides set at 20 and 25 degrees, so you're getting a consistent angle without drama. What makes this interesting, for hunters specifically, is the hidden broadhead wrench and the grooved ceramic rod for sharpening fish hooks. Users report this thing makes knives razor sharp and is easy to use for quick touch-ups. At around $39.95, this is a very safe and smart pick for anyone needing a portable solution.
Now, if you want something that feels a bit more like a workbench setup, let's move on. Lansky Deluxe Sharpening System. Okay, so this one goes hard on precision. It's a classic in the sharpening world for a reason, offering a truly controlled angle experience. The design feels professional, almost laboratory-like, with its included knife clamp and color-coded stones. This system is all about giving you consistent edge geometry, which just makes sense for serious hunters. It includes 5 ceramic hones, ranging from extra coarse, 70 grit, all the way up to ultra-fine, 1000 grit. This means you can reprofile a seriously dull blade or polish an already sharp one to a hair-popping finish. You're also getting specially formulated honing oil, which is a nice touch. The precision-engineered knife clamp holds your blade steady, and it offers sharpening angles at 17, 20, 25, and 30 degrees. But actually wait, some users do report the clamp can be a bit cumbersome or not hold smaller knives as securely as they'd like. Still, many agree it gets blades super sharp. At around $50.88, if you're after that consistent, professional edge and don't mind a little setup, this is a solid choice.
Sharp Precision Adjust Sharpener. Now, if precision is your obsession, the Sharp Precision Adjust is not playing around. This thing feels incredibly well engineered, giving you an almost surgical level of control over your edge. The design is sleek, with a V-block clamp that holds your knife securely. It's an angle-guided system, allowing you to dial in your sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees in precise 1-degree increments. So whether you're trying to match a factory bevel or set a custom edge, this can handle it. The standout feature is its tri-abrasive rod, which quickly rotates between coarse and fine diamond plates, 320 and 600 grit, and a fine ceramic stone. Users report getting razor-sharp edges with minimal learning curve. Some folks mentioned the base could be heavier for more stability, or that the clamp could be more secure for larger knives, but for achieving a perfectly polished edge on your hunting knives, it's insane what this can do. At $69.95, it's a killer value for the level of control you get.
Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener. This one is a completely different beast, and honestly, it just feels polished and modern. The Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener takes a unique approach to sharpening, and it's surprisingly effective. The design is minimalist, often featuring a solid wooden block and a clever rolling sharpener. It uses a diamond-plated sharpening disc comparable to an 800 grit whetstone, and a stainless steel helix disc for burr removal. The magnetic knife holder sets your blade at 15 or 20 degrees, ensuring a consistent angle every time. This means you just roll the sharpener back and forth, and the magnets do all the angle work for you. It's truly a foolproof system. Users report it's super easy to use and can make knives insanely sharp with minimal effort. The main catch, however, is that while it's great for consistent maintenance, some reviewers note its single grit might mean longer sharpening times for heavily damaged blades. And it's not for serrated knives, just straight edges. At around $129, it's an investment, but it's a very intuitive way to keep your hunting blade sharp.
Sharp MK2 Sharpener.
Finally, we've got something that really goes hard on speed and versatility, the Sharp MK2. This is an electric sharpener, and it's built to handle more than just your typical hunting knife. It feels robust, like a tool you'd find in a serious workshop. The MK2 uses flexible abrasive belts which conform to the edge of the blade, meaning it can sharpen everything from pocket knives and kitchen knives to axes, lawnmower blades, and even serrated edges or scissors. It also boasts a 2-speed motor, giving you more control for different tasks. That high speed really makes quick work of dull edges, getting knives razor sharp in minutes. Users praise its speed and ease of use, saying it brings blades back to life with minimal effort. But be warned, some reviews indicate that the abrasive belts can wear out over time, so you'll want to factor in replacements. At $89.95, this thing is a beast for anyone who needs to sharpen a wide array of tools quickly and efficiently.
And that wraps up the top 5 best hunting knife sharpeners. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest gear picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.